Hello friends. Thank you for encouraging me to create more videos by spending your valuable time. In this video I would like to provide information about MACO calculation with step-by-step explanation. You liked my video, thank you. The maximum allowable carryover, MACO, is a crucial concept in the pharmaceutical and manufacturing industries, particularly concerning the cleaning validation of equipment used in production. The key principle is to set the cleaning limit based on acceptable daily exposure, AID, permitted daily exposure, PDE, or no observed effect level, NOEL. Use health-based limits, ADE, PDE and OEL, for high-potency atoxic drugs, injectables, or when dose-based data is limited. Each calculation must be fully documented for audit purpose. Step-by-step MACO calculation, health-based exposure. First step is identify the acceptable daily exposure, AID, permitted daily exposure, PDE, or no observed effect level, NOEL, for the previous product. AID and PDE are derived from clinical and preclinical studies, considering the most sensitive toxicological endpoint and applying safety, uncertainty factors. Step 2. Identify minimum batch size, MBS, and therapeutic daily dose, TDD, of next product. Step 3. Purge factor and safety factor. Apply all the value in below formula. Finally you got the value. Use this value for calculation of rinse and swab limit. Thank you for subscribing my channel.